Hello family, Sir here. In this video, we're going to do a property tour for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's just over 1,200 square feet and it's located in South Charlotte. Stick around because I think you'll like it. Now the asking price is $245,000, and once you calculate everything, the mortgage payment, not including taxes and insurance, comes to just under $1,000. And that's calculating the factors of a 3.5% down payment and a 3% interest rate on your loan. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel, we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. If you're interested in any one of those things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to tap on that bell icon so you can be notified when we drop new videos. Also, before we go into the property, I want to say thank you to those of you that watch these videos. I'm trying to deliver more content, and it's taking a little longer to edit the videos, quite frankly. And this past week was pretty crazy. It was my dad's birthday, my daughter's birthday, my birthday. So I apologize for not posting more. More videos are to come, but the editing process, trying to give you substance, is what's taking so long. But stick around. I think you'll enjoy this video, and it is very affordable. And this property is in the Still Creek area in South Charlotte.